of speed. It's at the Tire Co building, and I think we're in Gardena. Let's go check this thing out. Oh, there's Rob right there.
Wagon down.
Oh man, he got you a spot, dude. What's up, Rob?
Hey, good buddy. Oh, Matu's here. Where are we going to park?
Damn it. I got Starbucks on my wee. Oh, this brand's freaking murk.
Going to Matsu. This is Japan.
Oh yeah, this thing was in Japan. Wasn't it Craftsman Auto Work that kind of built this thing?
What's his name? I forget his name.
Yeah, this thing is badass.
Crazy.
Yeah, this vehicle, this Merc was in Japan on a, I don't know what it was out there for. Obviously some show. But, man, the attention to detail, absolutely insane. So you go from a nice Merc like this to land speed car? What? Yeah, this show has a little bit of everything. A lot of imports, mix of classics, land speed cars. But it is, they're featuring wagons today, so that's why we came and we're parked up front. So apparently someone's built this land speed car and they are looking for women drivers needed. There's a phone number. Oh, and 3 men drivers needed. Hey, what's up? I was just taking down the information for this because I'm going to sign up for this. This is our buddy's C20. This thing's pretty cool. He's done a lot of work with it. He converted the gas fillers to some little toolboxes, which is kind of cool. And then there's this rowdy group over here. These nuts came from like San Diego, Temecula. There's Doug and his Nova, 4-door, and the wagon from Cooter's Garage, and then South Bay Hot Rods. Is that an LS?
Yeah.
LS3.
LS3?
They look identical.
Almost. Wait.
Who built this pile?
Some guy named Ford.
No.
Looks like it was built in 3 weeks.
No. All right. All right.
Keep watching.
Stuff for the wagon.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do to the frame or anything underneath to cut it?
You don't really have to.
It'll fit right in no matter what.
Good, how you been, man? Stand out a little bit. This is the only colored car here.
Here's something they don't see a lot.
Nice flex. We can go over speed bumps.
Is this a low-key flex if I do this?
That's a low-key flex.
All right.
They're like, wow. You see the suspension on that?
the wagon life thing. Hold on. So we dropped off the wagon. Now we're. What are we in now? Oh, we were in the Typhoon, but then we jumped in the truck. We got so many options. We're heading out to the quarantine cruise in Orange County or Long Beach, and I think we just dusted a bunch of people. Oh yeah, we lost a bunch of people behind us. We lost everybody, so we might have to pull over. There's one lonely fool. What's funny is they're gonna come around that corner hauling, trying to catch up, and we're gonna be here
Like, peekaboo.
furiously waiting for them.
So we're out here at Quarantine Cruise. So many nice rides out here. It's still early. Everyone's still coming from the other location, the starting point. But beautiful day, man. guy, the jive talking the shit out of him.
Hold on and drive it everywhere. I hate that car, but it works.
What's that motor?
Little Nissan's side drafts on it. They probably screws for a little 240Z motor. Yeah. Side draft.
Dude, this would be
Lordos.
so fun to drive.
Look, back when they made good stuff, it says Japan.
Actually,
Doesn't say China or Singapore. That's where he started doing it.
Oh shit, that is cool.
Damn, and he didn't pop the hood. Shoot.
He probably just stopped by here to eat. He's like, why is everybody looking at my car?
It's like, hey, there's a car show going on.
Oh, that is a nice flex though. Space for your helmet?
He can't be married.
I have a space for my helmet.
You can't
Can't
be
be married to
married.
have something like that. Men have to be single though and something like this. This is like your life. Look at this thing.
You're so full of
This
shit.
is beautiful.
And we own 9.
All these were handmade.
64 Galaxies.
The lights or the rings?
Brian, now you're in trouble. There's two of them here. They can both kick your ass.
Probably could. I feel too bloated right now, so I wouldn't be able to run. But if you look, check this out. So the yellow, and it continues up there to the front. It's actually a visible stripe.
You know what this is though?
It's different.
This is it's FU.
That's
That's his.
Exactly
it?
what it
I
says.
saw the video.
Yeah, I did too. Yeah.
Exactly what he said it's for.
Yeah.
This thing is building a Ford right now too. I think I need a tow hook on the back of my wagon.
Hey. Stealing your ideas.
Yeah.
Might as well keep it legal. I like the FU though. I'm gonna steal that.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna. No, it's an FU. It says it clearly on it.
Yeah, get it right. Yeah, look who's nosy.